Welcome to the product demo of Map Your Voyage. In this video, we show how to create an itinerary from Instagram travel content using Map Your Voyage. Start by clicking on Build an Itinerary. Suppose we want to visit Iceland. Select Iceland, and travel content from Iceland appears. Click on the locations you want to add to your Iceland itinerary. The clicked locations will be added to the Iceland map on the right. Next, we use Instagram travel content to add more locations. For example, we have an Iceland reel. Copy the link from the reel, come back here, and paste the link. After a short wait, all the locations from the reel are added. We first picked 4 locations from our Map Your Voyage content, and the rest come from the Instagram reel. Locations from the reel are marked with A. Let's review the locations: Skogafoss, Godafoss, Skaftafell, Diamond Beach, Lupine Field, Reynisfjara Beach. In Map Your Voyage, you can see the same locations: Skogafoss, Godafoss, Skaftafell, Diamond Beach, Lupine Field, Reynisfjara Beach, and other locations that are there in the video. On the right, we see all the locations added to the map. Click Optimize Route to create the best route for visiting these places. The system picks a starting airport by default, but we can change it by clicking on the airport and choosing a different starting airport. Let's select Reykjavik Airport. Click on Optimize Route again to get the best route from the chosen airport. To save this plan, create a new itinerary, give it a name, and click Save Changes. To build a day-wise itinerary, system will ask you for some more details. For example, the starting location is Reykjavik Airport, and we need to pick where the trip ends. Let's choose Reykjavik Airport as the ending location too. Click Next. Now, we say how many days we want to spend in Iceland. We can enter the number of days or let the system decide how many days are needed to visit all the places. For example, we plan a 2-week intense trip and let AI add extra locations to complete the itinerary. Click Next, then Next again. Now, we can guide the AI by choosing the types of locations we want to visit. Pick a few preferences and click Next. Finally, click Generate Itinerary. It takes a few minutes to process, and when it's ready, we see our day-by-day itinerary. So now it looks like the itinerary has been created. Since we chose Intense, it added many locations, 29 in total. You can see it's a 14-day itinerary, just as we wanted. If we want to check all the locations for day 1, we simply hover here and we can see how the plan is set up. On day 1, we are visiting 4 locations. When we hover over day 2, the route goes south. Hovering over day 3, it heads east, then continues east, then north, loops west, and finally goes north again. You can see it starts from Reykjavik, follows a circular route, and ends back at Reykjavik. If we click on the distance between day 1 and day 2, it opens a Google Maps link showing the route from the last spot of the previous day to the first spot of the next day. If we open this directions link, we get step-by-step directions from each location to the next. For example, this is for the first location, and then it shows the route between the first and second locations. If we want to see the complete Google Maps route for the whole day, we just click here and it will show all the locations for that day. You can also book hotels near any chosen spot with ease. For every location, we have links to nearby hotels. Let's click on these links to see what happens. This is the first location, Reykjavik Airport, shown here on the bottom left of Iceland. When we open the Booking.com, Expedia, Airbnb, or Hotels.com links, each one shows this exact spot in map view on their website. If we zoom out, we see the red dot. It's in the southwest of Iceland, right where we opened the Nearby Hotels link. You can see this here as well. It's in the southwest of Iceland, so there's no need to search manually. Each link opens at the spot where we want to book hotels nearby. This makes booking nearby hotels much easier. You can also see nearby transit stations, restaurants, groceries, gas stations, parking, and all these helpful links. When we click on these links, we can see the nearby restaurants, groceries, petrol pumps, and parking spots. All of these options are available. This makes it much easier to plan our trip. We can choose to take public transport between locations or stop at restaurants along the way. These features help us organize our journey and decide how we want to travel. We also suggest some flight recommendations from a specific airport to another airport between 2 days. If it's possible to book flights, so you can just open Skyscanner or Google Flights, or any of these links from here. And then, based on your preferred website, you can just go ahead and search for flights between the two locations. Now, all of this is useful if you want to book everything yourself. Otherwise, if you want to book through us, that is also a possibility. You can click on Book This Itinerary button to get a quotation for a fully customized itinerary covering all the locations. We offer the best prices because we connect you directly with a travel agent in the destination country, cutting out the middlemen. We look forward to welcoming you on Map Your Voyage.